Hello dear students, I am Teacher Cheryl and welcome to our arts class. Yesterday, we discussed about the fabric designs of the Southeast Asian countries. Before we start with our lesson, let us have an activity. Are you ready? Alright, let's start. Directions. Name the country of origin of the arts and crafts being shown below. You are given 1 minute to answer. Oops! Time is up! Let's check if your answers are correct. Very good! Congratulations class for completing the task. And now, let us move on to our topic, which is the arts and crafts of Southeast Asia. Flying lanterns are made from rice paper with a bamboo frame which contain a fuel cell or small candle. In Thailand, flying lanterns are used during the year for festivals. The most popular being celebrated is the Loy Krathong Festival. Cambodia and Laos. Handicrafts are part of their traditional culture and their livelihood as they produce textiles, baskets, jars, pottery, and other tools for their daily use. They make paper by hand in the wider region for over 700 years using the bark of the local sa or mulberry tree. Traditionally, sa paper was used for calligraphy and for making festive temple decorations, umbrellas, fans, and kites. These pictures are an example of Cambodia and Laos handicrafts. Vietnamese silk painting is one of the most popular forms of art in Vietnam, favored for the mystical atmosphere that can be achieved with the medium. Vietnamese silk paintings typically showcase the countryside, landscapes, pagodas, historical events, or scenes of daily life. Shadow puppetry is famous in Indonesia. Wayang in modern Indonesian language means show or perform. Kulit means skin. Wayang kulit is a type of puppet shadow play performed around the Indo-Malayan archipelago, tracing its origins to India. Wao kite in Malay is uniquely designed Malaysian kite called wao. Farmers used kites as scarecrows in the fields and as a mean to lull their children to sleep, so they could work with little interruption. Songkok, also called pesi or kopiah, is a cap widely worn in Indonesia, Brunei, Malaysia, Singapore, the southern Philippines, and southern Thailand, mostly among Muslim males in formal gatherings such as wedding feasts, funerals, or festive occasions such as Idul Fitr and Idul Adha. And for your output number 2, you are going to make a songkok. For the materials, we only need bond paper and scissors. For your reference, let us watch the video on the next slide. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you so much, class, for your participation. See you again tomorrow for another lesson in arts. Goodbye!